Hey guys, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Heiko Schenk. I'm the German drone racing champion, and I want to wish you all the best for the next Chinese New Year. Keep doing your awesome job. You just have the best libels we have on the market. I'm happy to be against this pilot, and yeah, Xinyan Guailong.
Hello Genzays and Tattu, wishing you the very best for the Chinese Spring Festival. I hope you all have a lovely break and wishing you wealth, health and happiness. All the best and hopefully I see you soon in 2019.
Hi guys, thank you for supporting 2018 and let's make another great year. Happy New Year!
I'd like to wish happiest New Chinese Year to all of members of my dearest Tattu family, and that during the pig year we're gonna be even better, even stronger and even more awesome, and we're gonna win more races for you. And I really hope that this year will bring us even more innovation and cool batteries and even more cool stuff. So yeah, Happy New Year!
Hello everyone at Tattu. My name is Terry, aka Beast Mode. I just wanted to thank you guys for everything you've done for me. I've been a sponsored pilot for about 3 years now from Tattu, and it's just been an amazing journey. I wouldn't be where I am now without you guys, and I just wanted to thank you for that, and I wanted to wish everyone a very blessed and happy New Year. Thank you.
Best wishes, best of luck, and a happy New Year from Poland.
Hey, what's up? I'm Bilal from Germany, and I'm a new part of the team Tattu. Thank you for your support. Batteries are amazing, super light, it's super powerful. I wish you a happy Chinese New Year and that all your dreams come true. Peace.
Hi Tattu, this is Rui from Portugal, and I just want to wish you all a happy New Year and keep doing what you know, the best batteries. So I see you guys around and enjoy the party.
Happy New Year, and I wish all of you the best for the upcoming year, and I want to say thank you to Tattu for supporting me and always innovating.
Ni hao! I'm Dennis Hochmann from Frankfurt, Germany. I wish you a Happy New Year and a lot Gongxi Fasai. Stay the best in the market and continue producing these wonderful batteries and lipos. Thanks for supporting me and have a good party!
Hey Tattu family, this is Marcel, your rapping FPV pilot from Germany. I wish you a happy and successful New Year 2019 and want to thank you for your support.
Hey everyone, Soren, Fat Kid here, and I would like to wish the entire Genzace and Tattu family a Happy New Year.